Unlocking inner peace, exploring the effects and benefits of meditation. Are you tired of the constant chaos and noise that surrounds our daily lives? Do you crave a sense of serenity and calmness within yourself? Look no further, because in this video, we are diving headfirst into the world of meditation, a powerful practice that holds the key to unlocking inner peace. Join us as we explore the profound effects and extraordinary benefits that meditation can bring to your life. From reducing stress levels to enhancing your overall well-being, get ready to embark on a transformative journey towards tranquility and discover how meditation can truly be a game-changer in this hectic world we live in. Introduction to meditation. Meditation has been practiced for centuries, and its popularity has increased in recent years. People are turning to meditation to help with anxiety, stress, sleep problems, and more. Meditation can be done in many different ways, but the basic idea is to focus your attention on something, usually your breath, and let other thoughts pass through your mind without getting too attached to them. This can help you feel more calm and clear-headed. There are many different benefits of meditation, including reducing stress, improving sleep, boosting moods, and increasing focus and concentration. Meditation can also help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, which can lead to greater self-awareness and insight. Advantages of meditation. Meditation has been shown to offer a host of benefits, both mental and physical. Below are some of the advantages that have been associated with regular meditation. Reduce stress and anxiety. Meditation can help to calm the mind and body, providing relief from stress and anxiety. Improved sleep. Meditation can help to improve insomnia and promote deeper, more restful sleep. Pain relief. Meditation can help to ease chronic pain by promoting relaxation. Lower blood pressure. Meditation has been shown to lower blood pressure by promoting relaxation. Enhanced well-being. Meditation can improve mood and increase feelings of happiness and well-being.
Also subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive more such useful and interesting videos.